Konnichiwa, Nihongo no gakusei desu. Our lesson for today is about the question particle ka and the Japanese question word nani. Last time, we discussed about making sentences using the des verb and the particle wa. Now we're going to make question sentences. For example, sensei desu. I am a teacher. If we want to make this a question, we will add the particle ka at the end of the sentence. So it will become sensei desu ka? Are you a teacher? Sensei desu ka? Are you a teacher? Remember, again, if the topic is clear, there is no need to restate the topic. Take note also that in Japanese, the question mark is omitted. So there's no need to put a question mark. What about saying, Anata wa sensei desu ka? Are you a teacher? Well, no, because it may turn out as rude because you already know the character of the person you are talking to. There is no need to say anata wa. It may sound rude to the person you are talking to, but you may say Yamashita-san sensei desu ka? Even if you are talking to him directly, you will add the san honorific title to his name and you will address him by his name plus the san title. So do not refer to him as anata wa. American jin desu ka? Are you an American? Gakusei desu ka? Are you a student? Gaikokujin desu ka? Are you a foreigner? In this lesson, we're going to study these 4 questions. Nansai, how old? Nanensei, what year in school? Nanban, what number? And nanji, what time? First question, senko wa nan desu ka? And the answer is eigo desu. What is your major? Eigo desu. English is my major, but you do not need to repeat senko wa. Just say eigo desu. Ima nanji desu ka? Ima nanji desu ka? What time is it now? The answer is goji desu. Again, no need to repeat ima. Goji desu. It's 5 o'clock. Takeshi-san wa nansai desu ka? How old are you, Mr. Takeshi? 25 sai desu. I am 25 years old. 25 sai desu. Nannensei desu ka? What year are you in college? Nannensei desu ka? The answer is Ninensei desu. Second year or sophomore. Denwa bango wa nan desu ka? What is your phone number? Denwa bango wa nan desu ka? 87219222 desu. But be careful when asking about phone numbers because Japanese are very strict when it comes to private information. So you do not just ask for the numbers of anybody without asking first their permission. Here, there are 2 pronunciations of nani or what. The first is, of course, nani. Nani is used before particles. Particles like wa and wo. For example, Nani wo benkyou shite imasu ka? Nani wo benkyou shite imasu ka? What do you study? The next is nan, without an I. It is used before des and counters like ji. For instance, Kokoseki wa nan desu ka? Kokoseki wa nan desu ka? What is your nationality? Ima nanjin desu ka? Ima nanjin desu ka? What time is it now? Here, so desu ka is not a question, even if the ka particle is at the end of the sentence. It is an expression. There are two intonations for so desu ka. If the intonation is rising, so desu ka, it means is that so? So desu ka? Is that so? So desu ka? So desu ka? Is that so? But if the intonation is falling, it means I see. So desu ka? So desu ka? Right? Another exercise. These are main characters and we're going to make a question sentence using their description. For example, Sora-san, she is a Korean Kankokujin. So the question is, Sora-san wa Kankokujin desu ka? And the answer is, Hai, so desu. Yes, I am. We will do for Yamada and Mr. Smith. You can pause the video and try and answer. Okay. A. Yamada-san wa Nihonjin desu ka? Mr. Yamada, are you a Japanese? Hai, so desu. Yes, I am. Sumisu-san wa Ichinensei desu ka? Mr. Smith, are you a first year student? Iie, yonensei desu. No, I am a fourth year student. I hope you have learned something today and thank you for watching. If you find this video useful and informative, please like and subscribe to my channel. Arigatou gozaimasu. Mite kurete arigatou. Mata aimashou.